In front of me is VIVO Y19, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Following that, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now, to add already existing video, click on Videos section, tap on the chosen one and wait. In order to create it and add it right away, you need to tap on Shoot Video next to Videos. Then record it. And tap on OK at the bottom right corner to add it. If you wish to add an audio file, you can always do that by swiping and clicking on Audios next to Slideshows and selecting one of your sounds that you wish to add. You can pick one of those or select Custom Ringtone at the top to access all of your music and recordings. Just tap on the file that you wish to attach and go back. Last but not least, click on the same plus one more time. And now to record audio and add it right away, click on Record Audio between Shoot Video and Teams. Now record it. And to add it, click on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!